Hey collectors, here is a look at the Bruce Wayne Collect to build a figure from McFarlane Toys from Batman, the animated series. And these are the characters that you need to build Bruce Wayne. Starting off with Phantasm with the leg part. Then we go to Poison Ivy with his torso and with Bane for the arms, and finally with Batman Hardak for the Bruce Wayne head and his suitcase. The figure and the part to build Bruce Wayne is held on the plastic tray by plastic straps, and I suggest cutting them from behind to avoid damaging the figure included and the part to build Bruce Wayne. And here are the parts that you will get from each figures in the wave. First up is the head and the suitcase of Bruce Wayne from Hardak. Then we have the body that came with Poison Ivy. Then the left and right arms from Bane. And finally the legs that comes with Phantasm. And if you have any difficulty in putting them together, I suggest heating up or putting them in hot water so that the pegs will loosen up and you can assemble them easily. In case one of the pegs or articulation becomes loose, I suggest putting a little drop of Pledge Wipe and Shine liquid polish, and it will make those articulated parts of this figure stiff. And now we have the completed collect and build a figure Bruce Wayne from McFarlane Toys based on what he looks like with the Batman the Animated Cartoon series. Here is the backside of the figure, and there are some cell shading which again we don't really need, plus the suitcase that contains the bat suit. And here is what the content of the suitcase looks like. It's too bad that he only has the left hand for it to be carried with and no other extra hands for the Build-A-Figure Bruce Wayne. Here is a comparison shot between the old Batman Expression Pack Bruce Wayne head sculpt and the new version from McFarlane Toys. Obviously, this one is much bigger and has a bigger peg hole. This one does not sit well on the neck peg provided by DC Collectibles in the first outing. Here's the new Bruce Wayne head on top of the body for the expression pack, and the dumbbell joint fits well and it looks more proportioned this time. I hope in the future McFarlane Toys will release other Bruce Wayne head sculpts with different expressions. And for size comparison, here he is with Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai model kit and Bruce Wayne from The Dark Knight movie trilogy by ModoKing model kit. With Vash the Stampede from the Trigun anime series by Jazzwares and Steve Rogers Captain America worthy Captain America version from Endgame by Hasbro. With Skeletor and He-Man from the Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with Hardak from the McFarlane Toys Bruce Wayne Wave and Batman from the Expression Pack DC Collectibles. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.